Are you ready to begin your YouTube journey? Because in this video, I will discuss useful free and paid tools and resources that can help you create a successful YouTube career. Whether you're just starting out or want to take your channel to the next level, these tools will be beneficial. So let's get started. The first segment covers analytics, channel management, and growth tools. vidIQ is an essential asset for any YouTuber that wants to take their analytical skills to the next level. With an array of comprehensive tools that can help you optimize your content and analyze the stats of other channels, it is the perfect tool to help YouTubers reach the success they desire. It provides useful information such as keyword suggestion, competitor analysis, and content optimization to give you an edge in the fast-paced world of YouTube. Furthermore, it also provides helpful insights into what kind of content other successful YouTubers are creating, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve and create content that will keep viewers engaged. Ultimately, vidIQ is an indispensable asset for any YouTuber that wants to truly maximize their potential. TubeBuddy is like vidIQ, but the majority of the great tools and resources they offer are not available in the free version. Nonetheless, it is worth mentioning that the free elements that TubeBuddy offers are still incredibly useful and can be a great way to get started with optimizing your channel. For example, the free version includes features such as keyword research, tag and title suggestions, and thumbnail analysis. All of these tools can be incredibly useful when it comes to boosting your channel visibility and getting more views. Additionally, the free version also provides access to the TubeBuddy forum, where you can get advice from more experienced YouTubers and network with other content creators. So while the majority of TubeBuddy's features are only available to paid subscribers, the free version is still worth considering for beginner YouTubers. Social Blade is the ideal platform for anyone who wants to get comprehensive insight into social media analytics. Simply type in the name of a channel or the handle of an account and you will be provided with a wealth of data and statistics about that channel and its growth trajectory. With Social Blade, you can get up-to-date information about views, subscribers, followers, and more, all at your fingertips. Furthermore, you can even compare the performance of different channels so that you can identify areas of improvement and capitalize on opportunities. With Social Blade, you have the power to make informed decisions that will help you maximize your social media presence. The second segment is for planning and scheduling. Notion is the perfect tool for organizing and structuring your content or planning future uploads. It's essentially a digital planner and whiteboard rolled into one seamless experience. Whether it's for work, school, or personal projects, Notion makes it easy to visualize and plan out whatever you need. With an intuitive user interface and a wide variety of templates and tools, Notion is a perfect platform for anyone who needs to plan and organize their content, tasks, and projects. Whether you're a writer, designer, video producer, or any other type of creative, it offers a number of amazing possibilities to help you organize your ideas and bring your projects to life. With Milanote, you can create stunning mood boards, collaborate with your team, structure your upload schedule, and much more. It gives you a secure and intuitive platform to store your thoughts and quickly access them whenever you need them. You can take your creativity to the next level and make the most of your creative endeavors. Later is the comprehensive scheduling tool for your social media needs. It's the perfect way to plan and organize what content you are going to upload. With Later, you can easily create a social media strategy that works for you. You will be able to spread out the content over time, ensuring that your followers have something to look forward to. You will also be able to find the optimal times to post and see what content resonates with your audience best. You can create a social media plan that's tailored to your specific goals and objectives. The third segment is for tools related to thumbnails, creating and editing graphics. Pexels is a free stock photo and video platform that provides a variety of photos and videos that are completely free to use for any commercial purpose. You don't even have to attribute anyone, although I recommend you do, as it helps the photographers and creators grow their work. Furthermore, you are free to edit, crop, or add to the content you download so that you can make it your own and make it perfect for whatever you are using it for. Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool that can be used to create a variety of different graphics. It's a great tool for creating social media posts, presentation, posters, videos, logos, and of course thumbnails. It's a great alternative to many of the paid software options out there, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a cost-effective way to create stunning visuals for their project. Canva also have a wide range of features, from its easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor to its vast selection of templates, fonts, and images that make it easy to create stunning designs with minimal effort. It's never been easier to create stunning visuals that will help you stand out from the crowd. Photopea is an in-browser image editing platform that is just as powerful as any application you can download, maybe even more so. The capabilities of this web app are nothing short of remarkable and can easily compare to other costly software. Plus, this one is completely free. This makes Photopea an incredibly accessible tool for anyone looking to edit images, regardless of their technical ability or budget. It's a powerful and highly effective platform that allows you to create and edit images with ease. Whether you're a professional artist or a hobbyist, Photopea offers you the tool to work with the images you need in a completely free and user-friendly environment. The fourth segment is for tools used for video, audio, and animation editing. Veed.io is an incredible web-based video editor that is perfect for creating all kinds of video content. From stunning trailers and shorts to impressive intros and more, Veed.io has you covered. Featuring an amazing library of assets, you can easily find all of the resources you need to create top-notch videos. Plus, Veed.io is incredibly user-friendly, so even if you are new to video editing, you will be able to quickly get up and running. It's the ideal place to start for all of your video editing needs. Clipchamp is a powerful tool powered by Microsoft which is available in a web-based version and a downloadable equivalent. This incredibly robust platform offers users an easy-to-use drag-and-drop application with the capacity to perform all the basic functions of a video editor. Furthermore, it provides users with a wealth of templates they can use to customize their work, making it easier to create professional-looking videos quickly and efficiently. From adjusting the length of clips to adding music and titles, Clipchamp offers users the ability to make their video content stand out from the crowd. DaVinci Resolve is an incredibly powerful video editing software that can take your video creation skills to the next level. With its multitude of features, you can customize and edit videos with a level of precision that was once only available to the most experienced professionals. With a little bit of time and effort, you can master the tools and techniques of this advanced editing software. The DaVinci Resolve website has a wide selection of resources and guides that can help you get the most out of your video editing experience. From tutorials and instructional videos to detailed user manuals and helpful forums, the website has everything you need to become a skilled video editor. With the help of these resources, you can make the most of DaVinci Resolve's incredible features and create stunning videos that will wow your audience. The fifth segment focuses on sounds and music. Audacity is an incredible software program for editing your audio, giving you the ability to make sure the sound is exactly to your liking. It is a straightforward, user-friendly software that provides you with the capability to cut, combine, and adjust your audio clips. The creators of Audacity recently announced a web-based alternative to the desktop solution known as audio.com. This web-based version of Audacity makes it easier and more convenient than ever before to edit and manipulate your audio. With a few clicks of the mouse, you can have your audio sounding just the way you want it. And now with the web-based alternative, you can do it from anywhere in the world. Artlist is an unparalleled premium music and sound effect platform that is designed to meet the needs of a range of different users and their personal requirements. With the variety of pricing plans and options to choose from, they have something for everyone no matter the type of project or sound design they are looking for. Whether you are looking for music for a video project or a soundscape for a video game, Artlist has a perfect sound design to suit your needs. Epidemic Sounds is a royalty-free music subscription service that offers an impressive selection of music for all of your video production needs. With a vast library of music genres at your fingertips, you can easily find the perfect fit for any project. Whether you need an upbeat pop track, a classic rock song, or a mellow jazz piece, Epidemic Sounds has you covered. Plus, the subscription service allows you to save money by not having to purchase individual song licenses. With a convenient and comprehensive library, Epidemic Sounds is the perfect music solution for any video project. Licked is a great platform where music creators can gain access to high quality music from famous artists without worrying about copyright strikes. They offer two payment options. You can either pay a monthly subscription fee or you can pay per track. This makes it easy to choose the option that best suits your needs, so you can focus more on creating great music without worrying about the legal side. Now this bonus segment provides a list of useful platforms that can help with content creation, learning, funding and more. Fiverr is an amazing website for all of your content creation needs. It is a popular freelance platform that offers a wide range of services, from graphic design and video editing to copywriting and SEO. With so many options to choose from, you can be sure to find someone who can help you create almost anything you need for your channel. Whether you're looking for an expert to design a logo, create a YouTube thumbnail, or edit a video, Fiverr has you covered. It is a great way to get the job quickly and cost effectively, all without compromising on quality. So if you're looking for a reliable and affordable solution for your content creation needs, Fiverr is the perfect platform for you. Skillshare is an online platform offering thousands of courses, tutorials, workshops, and forums to help users learn and refine skills in a variety of topics, from mathematics and coding to business and photography. With interactive courses and experienced instructors, users can get personalized feedback and guidance to take their knowledge to the next level. Redbubble is an excellent website for graphic designers, artists, and photographers to upload artwork and have it printed on products such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases with customization options to make the product unique. It is user-friendly and easy to navigate, allowing users to start selling their artwork quickly. Willow is a revolutionary platform that unifies all your social media accounts under one URL. Customize your links and URL to increase followers and track performance to see how people engage. Willow gives you one easy to remember URL that leads you to all your profiles. Buy Me a Coffee is a platform that enables people to make small donations to support projects such as independent films, book, software development, etc. It also provides a custom link to share with friends and family or post on social media to receive financial support to make dreams a reality. I really hope this video has been able to help someone out there, because I know that all of these tools were incredibly useful to me at some point or another, which is why I wanted to share them with you all. It would be great to hear what other topics you would like to see discussed in the future, so feel free to send me on any suggestions you may have. And of course, if you like what I do, don't forget to show your support and appreciation by giving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. This simple act will show your appreciation for the hard work and dedication I have put into my channel and will help it to continue and grow and reach more people. Plus, by subscribing, you will stay up to date with all the great content I create and never miss an update. Thank you for your support. See you in the next one.